game player, and I got this mask for Halloween. It's called Serial Killer Latex Mask by give a shout out to Ghoulish Productions, or I don't want to say that. I like to give them a shout out because it's a cool latex mask. They did a really good job on the face expression. Like what my brother's gonna do, he's gonna put like these things more like realish because it doesn't look real. Looks all weird, but it's pretty cool. This is how the inside of it looks like. Looks like what Leatherface would do. But this is cool because it's like a clown and be a clown for Halloween, and it's detailed. Pretty awesome. I'm gonna be trying on this mask right now. So I'm gonna be trying on the mask right now. Okay, so this is how it looks like. My brother's padding on the bottom so this thing could move. But this is sick. Like, it's cool. It looks like it really came off from someone's face, but it's not really is. But it's like blue. It's cool because I'm being calm. I forgot I told you that already. But this is awesome how this is. And it's going to be awesome whenever my brother, what's it called, paints in the red thing. So see you next time on my next video, and see you later. Peace.